Hello friends, welcome back to Elite Info Facts. Today I am here to share some interesting facts and to provide some real knowledge. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's start our video. I'm gonna show you some real facts about the famous country. This country is one of the best country in the world and this country comes in Europe. It is one of the richest country in Europe. This country is very close to the Catholic religion, that is Christianity. In this video, today we will discuss one of the European country, that is Italy. Italy is situated in South Central Europe and it is also a part of Western Europe. The correct or proper name of Italy is Repubblica Italiana, that means the Italian Republic. The pet name or you can say the nickname of Italy is Bel Paese, that means beautiful country. This is one of the beautiful country in Europe. The capital city of this country is Rome. Now the currency which the Italians are using is Euro. Giuseppe Conte is the Prime Minister of Italy. Italian people use their official language which is Italian and German. Famous dish or famous food of this country is pasta, pizza, lasagna, etc. The main dish of Italy is pork and beef, seafood and potatoes, rice, etc. The voice or pronunciation of Italy people is very soft and melodic and this still used in opera. This country covers the total area of 3,01,340 km. The population of this Italy is 6,03,17,116. The people of this country is well educated and it is one of the advanced country in Europe. Now I will come to the climate. The climate of Italy in summer is very dry and in winter it is very wetter. But the temperature will always be low in both seasons. In European countries, Italy is a very much safe country. Crime is low and most tourists are fearless by safety concern. So friends, this was some beautiful and real facts of Italy. As I have shared you good information regarding this beautiful country, no one thought that this country will convert into bad or critical situation. I'm talking about coronavirus. As you all know, after China, the country which got mostly affected, it was Italy. Now I will come to the point. The first confirmed case in Italy was on 31st January 2020. Yes, this was the first confirmed case in Italy. And in this case, 2 Chinese tourists tested positive in Rome. After these 2 cases, 1 Italian person came back to Italy from Wuhan and he also tested positive. Then on 21st February, this case was later detected and now 16 confirmed cases found in Lombardy. And on 22nd February, total 60 cases found and first death was occurred in Italy. In the month of March, this virus had spread in all the regions of Italy. Till now, the confirmed case in Italy is 1,83,957, where 51,600 people got recovered and 24,268 people died in Italy. Yes guys, the people very much died in Italy and it is very the saddest part of Italy. Friends, this was sad part of Italy. Here my video is finished and I hope the above facts which I have provided you is true to my knowledge. Request you to stay home and stay safe. Thank you.